Hi guys, and welcome back. Today, as you can see behind me, we are doing some green beans. From the new ball canning book, I am doing the green beans and mushrooms. We're going to season them with some spices, and I think it's going to be really delicious. So I hope you all stick around. The garden is in full swing. I'm going to be doing a couple different canning videos just on green beans because I'm going to try. Alright, so for this recipe, I'm doing quarts. So I have my quart jars, and per the ball canning book, it says to do a half a cup of mushrooms per quart jar. So I have a half a cup in each one of these, and then I have my green beans right here. I'm going to fill my jars to 1 inch of headspace with the green beans. Okay, so here are the mushrooms and the green beans, and don't they just look so pretty? So to this, I'm going to add a couple peppercorns to each jar. Oh, that one has a lot of peppercorns. And then just a touch of some sea salt. Now, you want to make sure you're using non-iodized. And the reason I'm not using a lot is because I am going to be putting in a concentrated beef broth, and it's already salty. So, you want 1 inch of headspace. Which is right to here. We're going to... Okay, so now that everything is to the 1 inch of headspace, you take non-metallic item and just go through and debubble everywhere. And you can see that actually dropped my headspace. So just take your liquid. Nope. Now that's actually too much headspace. So now I got to take a little bit out. I'll get a spoon and take some of that, but you want right there at that lip. But we're going to do this to all our jars. Okay, so we wiped the rim of our jar after we did our headspace check. Lid, ring, fingertip tight, and into the canner. These have to be pressure canned for 30 minutes for quarts, 25 for pints, 30 for quarts. And then for my altitude, it is 10 pounds of pressure. Make sure you're using the correct pressure for your altitude. So pressure canned 30 minutes. You let it vent for 10, and I will bring you back when these are coming out. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Over here is my chicken stock that I did. These went for 30 minutes in the pressure canner at 10 pounds of pressure for my altitude, and they look gorgeous. Now, our headspace did change, and that is just because we used raw ingredients. It's different if you used par-cooked or blanched, but this is how they said do it. I've done it like this before, and it turns out great. So, I hope you guys feel inspired to do something new and refreshing with your green beans, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.